Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Amirul Haziq bin Najlah, and in this video, I will be presenting the finding of my brand equity survey for Karet Store as part of my MKT 573 branding assignment. Karet Store is a rising local fashion brand in Malaysia, founded by Ala Hadrami. It focuses on trendy, street-style clothing that appeals to Malaysian youth community. Let's dive into the result of the survey and see what the data tells us about the brand. We almost have 100 respondents. Thank you very much for all the cooperation. Means a lot to me. For the first section, we have a demographic profile. We begin with the demographic profile of the respondents. In terms of age, the majority were from the youth and young adult segment, which aligns perfectly with the Karet's target market. Next, the gender distribution was relatively balanced, showing interest from both males and also a female respondents. Respondents came from various states in Malaysia with higher reputation from urban area where fashion trends are more influential. For occupation, many were students or young professionals, again, fitting the brand intended audience. Regarding monthly income, most respondents fell into the lower to middle income bracket, which support Karet's positioning as an affordable streetwear brand. And finally, a good number of respondents had previous purchase experience with Karet, which allow us to gather useful insights into brand loyalty and perception. Let's go to the next section, which is brand awareness. Karet Store enjoys a growing level of awareness, especially through social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok, where most of the content being posted. Respondents mostly discover the brand through these channels. In terms of unaided recall, a decent number of participants could name Karet when asked about local streetwear brands. Added awareness was even stronger, indicating that while Karet may not be top of mind yet, people do recognize it once it's been mentioned, as we know many local brands out there in Malaysia. This shows that while brand recall could improve, visibility is already been established, which is a good sign for a relatively new brand. Without wasting any time, let's go to the last section, which is brand image. For brand image, respondents associated Karet with keywords like trendy, local, oversized, and affordable, as is all the terms that related to the brand. Products like the essential daily wear t-shirt and RYW and Karet's baggages were frequently mentioned as a favorite, showing strong product identity. It's one of the collaboration that they've been doing. Many respondents highlighted that the brand represents Malaysian street culture and youth expression. This aligns with the branding slogan, "We do this for the local." However, some also noted areas for improvement, particularly in brand consistency, packaging, and also expanding product lines. Overall, Karet is seen as an authentic, youthful, and culturally relevant, which are strong foundation to build upon. For the conclusion, let's get straight to it. Karet Store is well on its way to becoming a staple in Malaysia's local streetwear scene. It has successfully captured the attention of its target market, young, expressive, and also a trend-conscious nation. There is still a room for growth, especially in brand recall and marketing strategy that they've been doing. But the current perception is very positive. With continuous improvement in the product offerings and also a brand communication, Karet has the potential to solidify its place in the local fashion industry. Thank you for watching on my video until the end, and I hope this gave you some insight into the brand equity of Karet Store. Before we end, we made this